Well, I made it. I have about 2 hours, and normally I'm pretty in and out when I go places. However, this place needs a lot of time and attention. It's seriously awesome. Brace yourself. I've already kind of come to a lot of the prices will be close. However, they always have such unique items. I am super excited. So let's go in and see what they got. I haven't been here since the summertime. Well, we've entered the less expensive room. This Caroler girl is incredible. Oh my gosh, and she's only $10. She's huge. This is only $15 and it is rubber. Definitely harder to find. So, of course, I noticed this little bone china cat in the flower pot for $2. Unfortunately, it's got a broken flower petal as they usually do. But what about this little long neck guy? He's $3. How many flowers are chipped? Ugh, that stinks. Now, I bought one of these that had a couple chipped flowers like a year ago, and it sold for like $7, and it took a really long time. So I'm gonna let it go, as painful as that is for me. I'm trying to be somewhat responsible about buying damaged items. Oh my God, look at these pandas. They're so funny. So I've passed up on a couple ballerina scarves recently because, or hankies I should say, because they've been more on the pricey side. However, this, dang, okay, so it has no price on it. That's why it's still here, I was gonna say. Oh, that kills me. It's like the universe doesn't want me to have a ballerina scarf, because I would probably keep this for myself, honestly. But alas, without a price, can't really do anything. Ah, how about this little napkin holder? That's kind of fun. $5. It's really cool. I love the vintage napkins in it too. Look at this. Celluloid doll. Carnival doll, I should say. $20. I'm too nervous. I'll damage that. What is happening here? Bradley, made in Korea. $10. She looks almost haunted. Donald Duck. I tell you, I am really excited to get to the end of this aisle because I'm ready to do my second sweep and get out of here. This has been quite an energetic day. $20. That's about what I sell those for too. Okay, let's see here. This looks newer. $2. Very cute. It's probably like 70s. It's a really good deal. Oh, we got a snowman wind chime with the original box. How much are you? $7. I think we have to take that, don't we? Oh, it's scented. Is it? Oh, it is scented. I'm really glad I noticed that. Yuck. Oh, I love the little tumble snowman. How cute. 1985. I see another one of those Santa head vases. The last one I picked up had some damage. Oh, dang, it's got a candle in it. I can't let that go. I don't want to deal with that. What is this? Poochie, the Christmas pup book. It's very damaged, but very cute. Oh my gosh, the pages are falling out. Let me put that back. Speaking of fish planters, this is one of my favorites. Oh, how much are you? $25. That's totally reasonable. I sold that for like $34 last time. Oh, I'm in love with that little Bambi cookie jar. Luckily, I can see the end because I'm starting to lose steam. It's been a lot of stimulation today. I love that Christmas girl, but that's $20 is definitely retail. Oh, it's really a shame that this stocking has damage. It's spectacular. And so is this bell, for that matter. Fantastic. Oh, Santa wall plaque. Those sell really well. And it looks like it's in really good condition. It's probably expensive. $12. It is not a name brand one, but it's a really fair price. I don't know why I'm being kind of weird about picking it up. I think I could get at least $25 for it. Well, the first thing I came back for is this Christmas snowman stocking. It's got the original tag on it. I'm trying to get it off. It's like they don't want you to have it. What the hell? Hold on, let me put my camera down. All right, and what about this little Christmas dog? Joseph Originals. It's a good deal, but I'm not that crazy about it. And this guy's so cute. These at $8 are a really good deal, but they got a little bit of paint loss, and I've just had them a few times recently in ceramic, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. This Santa figurine is very unique. I'm also now noticing that I totally left these freaking cute cat candle huggers behind, but at $17, that is retail, probably around what I'd get for it after fees at least. Now, I'm also seeing I left and somehow managed to not even notice this Rose Lane Siamese cat figurine. Even at $13, I still believe I'll be able to double my money. It's been a long time since I found one of these, and the last time I did it was the Napco version, not Rose Lane. You can tell the difference because Rose Lane will say made in California or USA. So definitely harder one to find too. I'm gonna grab it. I also somehow managed to miss these hand-painted Fenton ornaments, but they're $20 each. This is also a very unique one. Sugar texture. Now, I am actually on the fence about these bookends, whereas I think they're cute, and I know I'd make money off of them. It's just a matter of how long they take to sell. I've had a set of Garden Girl and Boy figurines very similar to it, and I've had them for a long time. So, I'm gonna do what you don't think I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna let them go. Now I'm back at the booth with a bunch of the little squeak toys. The Lucky Strikes tin is $14. Of course, I see this Rempel, which is definitely a harder one to find. He still squeaks a little bit, but he's pretty beat up, and he's $12. If he was in a little bit better condition, I'd feel fine paying $12 for him, but I don't feel like Rempel sells for as much as they used to. That is really cool. I'm gonna do a second look at some of these. I just think they're cute, but I do think they're too close. I didn't notice this guy. $6. Boom. How did I miss that? Also, this owl, hand-painted wall plaque, is adorable. $10. It's probably newer. And I think I am gonna go ahead and let the Sailor Mouse pass at $9.50. Also noteworthy, I just broke $100. I'm so far at like $103 or something crazy like that. All that for $100. You know, that makes me happy. I love the bottle baby. At $18, there's not enough room for me to do anything with it though, especially because it is one of the sports related ones, which just don't sell that well for me. What else did I miss going on in here? Oh my gosh, that is such a freaky doll. Oh, man. I wish I hadn't seen this. There's definitely no room in it for resale. I personally kind of want it. I love ashtrays and things like that. I have a little collection of them. This one's definitely pretty epic, but I just can't justify spending $20 on it. Now, whereas I really want to pick this up, it is not the older chalkware, it's a plaster, and I'm really nervous it's going to get damaged. It feels a little bit fragile on the ends, even though I know it would sell quickly. And Santa Claus wall plaques like that are really hard to find. I just am nervous it's going to get damaged, and I'd rather not deal with that. But also, how did I not see this? Oh my gosh. But of course, there's no price tag. Please tell me it's on the inside. Let me put my camera down and investigate. That is amazing. So sadly, this person's booth is kind of messy. I've been looking everywhere for a price tag. This one's really damaged. So far, I've seen a lot of tags on the ground and a lot of things that say vendor no price. No baby. Well, that's not that. That's probably that. I wish I could find a random tag that said stocking, where it was obvious that this is what it's supposed to be, but unfortunately I'm just not. That's really painful leaving that behind. they will not call here, just so you know. So I'm seeing the Holt Howard roosters. They say as is on them. Oh, they're like really, really repaired. That's why they're $3. I can't do anything with that for resale. I think I am gonna just give these guys a quick look-see. I'm really upset about that ballerina scarf. Now, I was getting ready to check out when I noticed the deer there. It's 2 of the regular rubber ones and another one of the blue. The thing that's noteworthy about that is that the other ones will probably sell for like $10, $11 each, which will pretty much make up room to be able to offer another one of those blue rubber reindeer, which are really hard to find. Over 2 hours in there. I knew it was gonna happen. So I spent $128 in there, which was a great deal. That means I spent $293 total today, which was a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but it was well worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the 2.5 hour trek home through the mountains, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Now, there's only a couple days left in my Pennsylvania life, so I am going to be making the most of it, and lots more in store.